So I want to make a quick video about how I go about loading and unloading a mini excavator from a dump trailer. So as you can see here, I've got this angled so that the ramps and the dump bed are at the same slope, so that way there's no break over here. And then I also have the bottom support of the dump bed on a stack of blocks to keep this from sagging down as you walk over the edge. All right, that's it. See, I think that's a pretty nice way to load up the mini excavator. Don't have any rocking or tilting or anything getting into the bed there. And it makes it really easy if you've got a wireless remote too, because once you're in it, you can lower it down. And you know, this is another reason that makes it really hard for me to sell this little excavator. I've got a larger excavator, be a link up here. You can go and see my rebuild process of that KX 161. It's about a 12,000 pound machine, but I would not feel comfortable hauling that machine in this trailer. It's just at the limit. You know, actually it's over capacity a little bit for this trailer, and doing that method there with a 12,000 pound machine is just a little more sketchy than I'd like to deal with. But the big machine's nice too, because it can do bigger jobs and dig faster and everything else. So I guess I'll just have to keep them both. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.